Good morning. I'm using my other brush because my regular brush is all packed up. This is going to be a very, very fast video. All I want to do is make sure I get everything back in order after a trip. So let's get my hair up. And I do like this. There we go. This was my favorite t-shirt for a long time, but it's all cracked up. And this is my farewell to the t-shirt. Then, right after a big long trip. Hey, this is my Nito Cool bag. I'll put a link in it below because I searched long and hard for it. And it is the bag that, if there's, I like it. I like it a lot. There. Here is my brush, and it's sometimes the habits that you have at home don't always follow you around. These were just in case I need a touch up. When you're out there playing hard, nails are going to get chipped, but I can't do a full manicure, but maybe a little repair here and there. Oh, here, this is my gloves. These are my drip nails. Ooh. Hair stuff. This is my jewelry stuff. Lots of putting away there. I just have everything up here in a jumble, don't I? And I got myself a new little necklace. I wanted a little castle necklace for a while. But this is here for now. Alright. Hair stuff. Well, actually, this one I'm going to keep in there. Reset. Keep in there. Makeup. So I don't waste everything. I'm going to use these. Oh, I moved my tools. I forgot about that. Okay. This will go back in there. This stays in there. This will stay in. Just soaps and travel size shampoo. This will stay in. Yeah. Hair stuff. Somehow I have all of these fitting. Oh, I remember why. This is actually my trip size. Okay, you stay there. You stay there. We always want to make sure you're unpacking, getting everything done as soon after a trip as possible. I didn't unpack this last night. I was very tired. We came in a lot later. I need to be done with using these. So a lot of times we might identify with some of the things that we do. Like I might say I'm a writer. I might say I'm a clutter bug. Or we identify with maybe some of the things that have been put upon us. I'm talented. Or I might say, oh, I'm stupid. It's really important, I think, that we stop identifying with things that are privileges and talents, or that are challenges or our weaknesses. We all have talents, weaknesses. We all have things that came into our life that give us some advantage, and things that came into our life that give us some, difficulties and challenges. But that's not who we are. We are someone who can act. When we worry about who we are, we think that there's something that's like unchangeable about who we are. But we can always change for good or for worse. What we really are is someone that can make choices. And we all can make choices. People who are in different circumstances can overcome it or let it overwhelm them, and that's all about a choice. Now, let's get this surface done. Now that I've stopped philosophizing, here we go. Now that I did a big scrub down, I feel like I can clean my sinks. And if I make this choice every day, they are not going to get that dirty ever again, are they? See, it's the same amount of energy I'm using it. I'm just using a little bit very often compared to a lot in a short amount of time. Hair. Like little ones. There we go. This one never gets used, but it does also get hair. And I did not scrub this little faucet right here. There. But we hardly use it. So I'll just scrub it a little time every time. Even if I'm not using it, I am cleaning it. It does get things falling into it. And it is there. Part of the surface gets splattered. There we go. Not perfect, but better. Definitely better. Bathroom reset. Now what I did do last night was I took care of my bag, but now I need to take care of Vladimir's bag. He does it usually, but I want it done now. And he's doing a lot of other work right now at this moment. There. I emptied that last night. I put everything in the laundry. Whoa! And Vladimir emptied his last night. That's a light. Hey. There. 1 minute. I know where the other one is. Somebody else used it. Just a second. And I put it out in the hallway.
I hope you've liked this video. Hit like and subscribe.
No, I didn't. I put it here. Where these things belong. Right here. There we go. There. Isn't that just so easy? Get it ready. My cool little packing bags. I only used one this trip. Didn't bring very many clothes. One of my really organized kids showed me these, and I was like, wow, I need that in my life. Very handy. Okay, and I have a space for these, but I have a couple of other bags. Another one that someone used up. I'm going to check inside this bag. Make sure nobody's left anything. Another carry-on. And I'm starting to wonder if maybe I should have a better place for the carry-ons. I don't know. And by carry-ons, I really meant suitcases. There we go. Okay. I feel like there's something else in there. This can go on there. This. That's it. Aha! There we go. Okay, now I put them where they belong, which is in here. This is our smaller one. This is the one we use more often. There we go. I put only barely fits, and we have a lot of old coats. There. That's it. I've cleaned up after my trip. It's a short video. I put everything away. It was very fast, and it was a lot easier to do this time around because I had already done a little bit of cleaning in this room and this room. I did not want to mess it up again. That helps a lot. If your room is already messy when you come home, it's not very hard to just add to the mess. If you're in a process of cleaning it up, you're like, oh, I don't want this to become part of the problem. So there you go. And there I go.